Okay, what is up there, YouTube? This is J-Ben Time, and today I have a video on a very strange new warship that was not too long ago added to the Iranian Revolutionary Guards Crop Naval Detachment. And that vessel is the Shahid Mohammad Nazeri, which is a new type of Iranian catamaran-style assault vessel that was added to the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Crop Naval Detachment, or the Naval Detachment of the IRGC. Well, over the last 20 years, the Iranians have been developing all types of different naval vessels in order to make up for the shortcomings of the Iranian Navy. Over the last 40 years, the US and Iran have been stuck in a kind of proxy war over the Strait of Hormuz, and as a result, the Iranians have been trying to build their own navy, or rebuild their own navy, and they also have been copying many Western designs or Eastern designs when it came to standard warship construction and design. But the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Crop, or at least the naval detachment of the IRCG, have also been developing their own vessels. Remember, the Iranian Navy and the IRGC Navy are two separate organizations with two separate goals, but both navies have their own class of warships. So this vessel here, the Shahid Mohammad Nazeri, is one of the most advanced warships to be used by the IRGC Navy. Now, most of the vessels in the IRGC navies are just missile boats, torpedo boats, or some other class of light auxiliary gunboat. But this here is a new type of stealth vessel. According to the Iranians, this vessel here is a high aspect ratio twin-hull catamaran-style helicopter carrier and assault vessel that was developed between 2013 and 2015 and entered service in 2016. This vessel has a displacement of just 800 tons. Its main armament is four 12.7mm Mohammad Gatling guns, and these are large 50 caliber Gatling guns that were based on the American and Russian Gatling guns used on American and Russian attack helicopters. This vessel can also carry one helicopter via its own helipad, and it also has a crew of at least 10 to 20 and can carry about 100 plus troops. The vessel has a speed of just 28 to 30 knots, or 52 kilometers per hour, or 32 miles per hour. Now, Iran is not the only Middle Eastern country to develop stealth warships, or at least to purchase stealth warships. Countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Pakistan, and Israel have also been developing their own types of experimental or limited production stealth warships. But this here is a stealth warship. It also acts as the command base for the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Crop Naval Detachment. Only one ship seems to have been built, but I'm pretty sure the Iranians will probably build at least one or two more of these in the next few years. It takes Iran a long time to build a class of warships. They've been building their own class of submarines for the last 20 years, and they've only built about 15 to 20 of their own submarines. So it'll probably take them another 5 to 10 years to complete this class of high aspect ratio twin hull catamaran style attack helicopter carrier / assault vessel. But it does show that Iran is at least trying to develop stealth warships. Many countries in the region usually just buy old Russian or American or Chinese made vessels, and Iran itself has done that. Many of those Iranian speedboats and even some of those Iranian frigates are just copies of old Soviet, American, British, and Chinese made vessels. But this vessel here at least shows that Iran is trying to think outside of the box when it comes to developing new types of warships, especially stealth warships like this vessel here, the Shahid Mohammad Nazeri. So what do you think of this rare Iranian vessel? I guess this is one of the more advanced vessels that Iran has developed. Most of the newer Iranian vessels are just copies of Western or Eastern style warships, so this is at least a bit different. How this ship would do in combat is largely unknown, but its main armament is only 4 machine guns, so I don't think it'll be any use against any light or even medium-sized surface vessels being used by the US or Saudi forces in the region. But what do you all think of this vessel? The Shahid Mohammad Nazeri, Iran's strange high aspect ratio twin hull catamaran style helicopter carrier and assault vessel from 2016. Please tell me in the comments section below, and until next time, this was J-Man Time, signing off.